Imagine being 65 years old, broke, rejected over 1,000 times, and told you're too old to succeed. That was Colonel Sanders, before he built a $25 billion empire from a single recipe. Harlan Sanders had a rough start. His father died when he was 6. He dropped out of school and worked odd jobs just to survive. By age 40, he was running a small gas station, cooking chicken for travelers. But disaster struck. At 65, with just $105 a month from Social Security, Sanders was broke. But he had one weapon, his secret fried chicken recipe. He traveled across America, knocking on doors, begging restaurants to sell his chicken. And guess what? He got rejected 1,009 times. Soon, restaurants were lining up to license his recipe. By 1964, KFC had 600 locations, and Sanders sold the company for $2 million, over $20 today. But he kept working, becoming the iconic face of KFC until he died at 90 years old. Colonel Sanders proved that age is just a number, and failure is just a step towards success. Think about it. If he quit after 100 rejections or 500, KFC wouldn't exist today. So next time you feel like giving up, remember the 65-year-old who kept knocking until the world said yes. What's your biggest takeaway from Colonel Sanders' story? Drop a in the comments if this inspired you. And don't forget to subscribe. We drop real success stories every week to keep you motivated.